Oh, welcome back. Welcome, guys. In today's tutorial, we're just talking about how to upload a theme and a plugin, and we'll build our first website. So let's get started without wasting much of our time. We all know this how okay, let me give it some time to load. This is the basic way our website will look. I just added some things, but once you install a new website, this is how the website looks like. So we want to upload a theme to make our website look beautiful and add more functionality to it. So the first step is head over to appearance. You see where it says themes. You tap on themes, then add new theme. You could see different free themes, like yeah, you can use any of these, but I prefer to use I have a theme I can use. So I just upload, I choose file. Yeah, I bought this enfold theme from Team Forest. You can purchase themes from teamforest.net. You can purchase themes from here. You can purchase themes from here. The info theme is available here. This is the info theme. This one I purchased for $59. This is it. So I just tap on add. Okay, it has been, then you tap on install. So you can see that the theme has been installed successfully. So you tap on activate to activate the theme. So you can see the theme has been activated. The theme has been activated. So we just do some setup on our theme. So these are theme options. Now let us import a theme demo. Import a theme demo. Import a theme demo. You see demo. Wow, look at different demo. This is the main demo. Enfold, flash, startup business, minimal, photography, elegant, one page agency, creative studio. These are different demos. Shop. This one you need e-commerce. Okay. Restaurants. I would like this. Let's go with this construction. Just tap on it and click OK. It's importing. Don't refresh the page whenever it's importing. You can even create a wedding website. Assuming you have someone want to get married, you can see you can create a wedding website with this. There are lots more. A travel website, the hotel, the spa, even the law. I could have used this law. I love this law. If you're a DJ, you can use this. Wow, it's done already. All done. The import worked out. It has been imported. So let's refresh our website. Wow, wow. I saw something beautiful just now. Wow, like so easy. So this is the front end of our website. You can see it looks good. It looks good. So this is how you install a theme on your website. So the next thing I'll be showing us is how to install a plugin. Head over to plugins. The tap you see okay, add new. So once you are here, you can see different plugins. Assuming I want to install this Akismet spam protection, I'll tap on install now, and you see activate. Then you activate the theme. The theme will be automatically activated. So let's go out to plugins. Just forget about this now. You can also add this. The another way of adding a theme is tap on add new. Head over to assume you have the plugin on your system. This is just the same thing like how we did for the theme. So just upload. You go over here and look for the plugins. This plugin I'm installing. Okay, coming. Okay, let me install this plugin. Coming. Okay. Wow, you could see plugin successfully installed. So you activate the plugin. You can see the plugins are added. Now if you come over to this place, you can see Akismet is already activated. All these plugins are activated. So this is a simple way on hmm, how to create a this is simply of how to install plugins and themes on your WordPress website. So it's very easy and simple. Very easy and simple. So I guess this is the end of this video. See you guys in the next class.